guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I know I've been MIA for about 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks. So I've decided to do a sinking funds update. And as you can see by the title of this video, I did screw up. I spent a lot of money. You know, I took out a lot of money from my sinking fund envelopes to pay for medical visits for a family member in my country, and then also buying unnecessary stuff. I guess because it's fall, is like, I don't know how to act. I went to Walmart for my birthday and I actually got a gift card from my brothers and sister-in-law, and then I like overspent. And Walmart is a huge thing for me because we don't have a Walmart here in New York. So in order for me to get to a Walmart, I have to, like, you know, it's like an hour, 2-hour drive from here. So I went crazy and I bought a couple of stuff. Well, not a couple of stuff, I bought a lot of stuff. So I overspent, and then when I realized I didn't have that money available for shopping, I went ahead and took it out of my sinking funds. So this video is gonna be a sinking fund update, and it's gonna be a sad one because I spent a lot of money out of these envelopes. So let's just get started. All right, so also I forgot to mention that I actually made new envelopes. I'm just gonna give it a try. I don't know if I'm gonna stick with these envelopes for long, but this is what they look like now. This is my sinking fund. So as you can see, the color is like a metallic, you know, glittery type of cardstock. So this is my new sinking funds cheat sheet. And then let's just move this to the side a little bit. And then this is how the envelopes look. So I added the deb snowballs, you guys can see from my last video. And then I have an Etsy shop envelope. This is for any rollover money from my my little mini envelopes that I use. So if I have any rollover money, I'll put it in here for my Etsy shop. And then see, these are all the envelopes. All right, so enough talking, let's get started. So for Julian, we started with 177 the beginning of September. So let's see how much we have now. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 87. So 187. $187, and the change is plus $10, so it went up only $10. Mason, we started with 177, and now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 187 as well. So that's positive $10. Milo had nothing, and now we have 5. So that's positive $5. Student loan had 150, and now it has only $50. I know. Oh gosh, but it's okay because I am back and I will start stuffing these envelopes, so there's no holding me back. So this is negative 100. School supplies, we started with 0 and now it has $2. So this is positive $2. Birthday started with 95 and it only has $1. So this is negative $94. Christmas, we started with $35 and now we have $5, $10, $15, $20. guys, I apologize for the noise in the back. So this is negative $15. Vacation, I changed the name. I changed it to Getaway. So Getaway now we started with Getaway Vacation $394, and as you guys can remember, I did go on vacation at the beginning of September, so I did spend that money. So vacation now has $5, and that's negative $389. Emergency, we started with $175, and it only has 5, so that's negative $170. Oops, guys, this iPad only has 7% battery. That's why I'm rushing. I don't want it to die. Family savings, wait a minute. Yeah, emergency, we did. Family saving we started $175, and now it has 0. So that is negative $175. Dream home started with $175, and it has 0. So it's negative $175. This is so sad. Subscriptions, we started with 30, and now it has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it's still in there. So it has 30. So that is 0. It didn't change. And then the savings challenge, we started with $220, and it only has $5. And that is negative $215. And then for the $1 challenge, I never stuffed, so that's it. Now let's just add this up. Let me go grab my calculator. All right, so the beginning amount was, let's see, 177 plus 177 plus 150 plus 95, 35, 394, 175, 175 plus 175 plus 30 plus 220. We have started the month of September with $1,803, and now we are down to 187 plus 187 plus 5 plus 50 plus 2 plus 1 plus 20 plus 5 plus 5 plus 30, and then plus 5. We're down to $497, which is horrible. And that is oh Lord. And that's a difference of negative 1,306. So yes, I screwed up really bad, as you can see, but it's okay. I'm not gonna get discouraged. I'm going to continue stuffing these envelopes. So I will be stuffing my Etsy earning for this week, as well as my husband's check, and then I have child tax credit coming up. So I think I'm gonna post either Wednesday or Friday, so make sure you check that out, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.